All right, folks. I'm headed to meet Mr. Ware. Beautiful day. I haven't left the apartment all day. It's almost 4 o'clock on Saturday, March the 6th. And this is my new environment, folks. You can see all the tall buildings. It's a little city here. Here's a restaurant. It looks nice and tasty, but I don't yet know how to order. I'm over here getting a free meal again, folks. The easy bake oven. That's your main oven? Wow. I followed my wife's instructions on how to marinate. It's just Worcestershire sauce on it. So a lot of her stuff upstairs, and she said it was cheaper, and then the people wanted the downstairs.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Hey there. I'm one of the video editors whose eyes were glued to this very screen for 8 hours. 8 hours straight. Why, you may ask? To create the video you are watching right this very second. So with that being said, I was kind of hoping you can do me a little favor. Maybe subscribe to our channel and even like this video? You know, whatever floats your boat. Alright, sorry for the rant. I'll let you get back to watching my hard work.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
The computer. It's beautiful out here. Miles and miles of apartments. People stacked on top of people. The people out here, they travel.
Yeah. Because a lot of people live down here and work. And so, because it's so expensive in Seoul, it's easier for them to commute from here.
Okay.
Yeah. And they're building a lot of apartments in Weejumbu, with people probably buying those apartments up out of Seoul because it's probably cost 3 or 4 times more in sold.
And so
Yeah, apartments and whatever.
that's where Eugene lives in Weejumbu, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was over there with her. So there is an outbreak in Dangashan.
Yeah. The foreigners, mostly a lot of Nigerians, a few Koreans, but mostly Nigerians. Some over here illegal, so it's hard to hunt them down. And they're not gonna go and get the test, you know.
Yeah.
They might go get the shots, but they're afraid to go get the test because they're illegal. I think they'll be deported.
There's a lot of illegal Filipino
Yeah.
ladies I'm learning. You should let Eugene show you that house. The house is off the chain.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the house is huge.
Where was it?
That house, it had this type of patio, but it was attached to a house. And then you had like almost like a fortress like gate where you open up, you drive in. It had a garage, a huge garage. Huge garage. And I just thought it was too big for me. It had like 4 bedrooms and at least 2 to 3 of them was huge bedrooms.
Was it 2-story?
Yeah. You go upstairs and you can look down. I mean, it's like, you walk around the top and you can see down. It was nice. And then we just moved a lot of her stuff upstairs and
Why'd she move up?
she said it was cheaper, and then the people wanted the downstairs. So her husband came in and helped her on Sunday. Yeah, I like Eugene. She introduced me to everybody. So anytime she want or need, she don't never want. You don't never want nothing either. I'm kind of like, let's do it. I feel indebted. You miss home?
Yeah.
Well, this has been home for 15 years, so what is home? What is home?
Huh?
I said, what is home? This has been home for 15 years
Yeah,
for you.
this is comfortable. I'm comfortable here. My wife left about 6 years ago. I'm just hanging in there for a couple more years. A few more years, and I'm gonna retire.
Are you really? Or you just saying that?
Yeah. 2 more years, I'm not gonna do anything.
Oh, really?
I'm traveling and stuff, and visiting people, and so I'm not gonna work.
It's a real uncomfortable feeling for me up here. I got lonely. I ain't lying. I can't do this 15 years. I'm doing it 3 because I need the money.
Yeah, right.
When my wife lost her job a couple years ago, I started working as a cab driver.
Yeah.
Keep the money flowing.
Second job?
Yeah, a little second job, and I wasn't making nothing but gas money to get back and forth to work, but it made a difference.
Yeah.
I'm not one of them people, I'm gonna find a job.